here is the pineapple. I have the pineapple here. Here I have the ginger. Can you see? And here I have the lemon. Okay, a lemon. So pineapple, ginger, lemon. Lesser ginger, the pineapple should be greater than the ginger so that it is okay, it will give you a sweet taste. So now the first thing is I'm going to put in the pineapple into the blender. I'm gonna pour it inside the blender, then the ginger, then I have, yes, I've forgotten to show you the sugar. I have the sugar here. I'm gonna put not little, I'm gonna put little sugar so that it is not too much. Okay, so let's start. Can we start? Bismillah, Bismillah. So I'm going to fetch in some water into the blender to make it, to increase the quantity of the juice. To increase the quantity of the juice. Bismillah. Can you see? Not too much water. I think it is okay like this. Yeah. So now the next step is to turn on the blending machine, right? Bismillah. I'm gonna turn on the blending machine. I need to add little water into the blending machine. Subhanallah. Bismillah. Bismillah. Okay. Yeah, mashallah. So now I have the juice is ready now. So the next step is to fetch the juice into the cup. The reason why I want to use these to fetch the juice is because I want to sieve the juice. I've just mixed it, and I used the blending machine to mix the ginger and the pineapple. So the next step is to fetch the juice into the cup, but I have to sieve it using this. Okay, so Bismillah. I want to tell us about the health benefits of taking ginger. One, it boosts the immune system. Secondly, it protects one from cancer. Thirdly, it cures one who has an irritating skin. You have a skin disease, it cures that. The fourth is I've spoken about, it cures the irritating skin, it protects one against cancer, it boosts the immune system, and I think with that we're good to go, right? Yeah, subhanallah. So you can't taste it, but you want to taste it, you can taste it through the camera, right? You can taste it through the camera. I want to remind us again. The first thing is I took the pineapple and poured it into the blending machine, then the ginger into the blending machine, then the lemon I squeezed into the blending machine, then the sugar, then I added water so that I can increase the quantity, then I switched on the blending machine, and that's how I now have my juice here. You can try it out. I promise you it is very sweet. The problem here is you can't taste it, but I don't know if you can taste it through the camera. That's the only way, subhanallah. That's the only way you can taste it. So I said the ginger should be lesser than the pineapple, because if the ginger is equivalent to the pineapple, then it will be too pepperish. So you've got to measure it in such a way that the pineapple will be more than the ginger in quantity. MashaAllah, may Allah bless us, and try it out. Boost your immune system, protects you against cancer from cancer, it cures irritating skin and few other health benefits.